Hey, Gregos here. Quick update on Theia. Where were we at with Theia? I don't know. I don't know. Where were we? I think we were doing just looking at the body all stripped down and what metal repairs needed to happen to make it happen. Well, as you know, it was going to be do a few repairs and paint it, but these things you've got to dig into them. You've just when the paint doesn't adhere like it, it doesn't matter where on the car, the paint's just peeling off, and you can look at that and you go, well, that's nice and solid, but trust me, there's nothing solid anywhere. So even the inside, we were looking at not worrying about, just leaving the inside, and then you just touch one little bit and it just chips off. So it's like, well, the car's been off the road for a while now. Just do it all. So screens out. Overall it wasn't too bad. There's a bit of surface rust along the top here, very lucky. There was a hole here that Andrew's welded up. Some welding needed here and there. This front has been replaced previously, so overall it should be okay. We'll just weld up what we need to. A few spots along there. So we'll put rust prevention on the inside like we normally do carry on. So the doors have come off. You can see there, strip the paint off, and it's like it was all wet under all the rubbers. So that was definitely important to take them out and get things all cleaned up with some metal conditioner before we put some epoxy on. Another more needed welding there. Andrew's putting a patch in there. This here was all rooted. The rail there that holds the trim and the rubber seal and the trim. So we've got to try and get in there as best we can. We normally sandblast him, but that won't be happening with this one. So we'll just be cleaning up in behind there as well as we can. There's definitely been some repair work happening there. All the bottom's basically paint ready. It's been epoxied, filled, blocked, re-primed, so I've just got to do the seams and whatnot. So same along here. Just a couple of areas to weld up, but overall not too bad. The roof was pretty good. Just smothered a bit of bloody leftover filler off the board. That there needed some metal pieces in there, so that rust was cut out. It was all treated in underneath. Andrew folded up some metal, put that in, and now we're just like smoothing it over. So it's gonna look pretty good. All that's come off. So there was a lot of areas here where the paint had obviously been peeling off, and water had gotten in underneath, and there was surface rust basically starting everywhere there. So we've had to check it all out with all the glass out, make sure that all areas are treated. So, but I'd say the bulk of the work is done. The roof we stripped back. It had a heap of bog on it. We don't know why there was bog on it, because the roof is actually really good condition bar these back corners. There's no real dents or anything like that, so I don't know why it had so much filler in it. But anyway, we're here to sort it. All the sills and steps are okay. Deformed panels okay. So that's how we're treating it. So not a complete restoration. We're trying to not do anything with the inside. Unfortunately, I didn't want to touch anything with the black carpet there, but it's just like we're going to have to paint right up to that edge, so we might have to peel it back a bit and back mask it and whatever. So that's just the way it is in the kombi universe. So we will talk to you later. Just wanted to give you an update on what's happening with Theia. Bye.